Hey everyone, Paul Carl here, and I want to show you guys Versoly. This is one of the best website builders I've ever used, and I just redid my site on it, and it looks amazing. And the software is so easy to use and so fast and so efficient. And one of the things that I really like about it is that you can edit like CSS and HTML on the page directly from that same window. Like literally at any level of the document, you can edit all of the code, and it's awesome. So what I'm going to do with Versoly right now to kind of show it off a little bit is I'm going to recreate the Freshbooks, which is another tool I love. I'm going to recreate their homepage in Versoly, and I've prepared a little bit just by downloading the images that I'm going to need, and I uploaded those already. But let's go ahead and start a new project. They have some default ones, but I'm going to use a blank one. First thing we need is a nav bar with our call to action. Oh yeah, one thing I did not do was get their colors. So let's see if they have the FreshBooks green. We'll make this the primary color. You can set these colors here. So there's our primary color. Get rid of this for now. Do we need any other secondary color? I guess the blue will be our secondary color. For our headings, alright, cool. So we got those. I don't think I need any other colors. Yeah. Alright, don't need name, logo. Let's get the FreshBooks logo. Let's see. I want all these to be black. So there's the font color here. Let's make that dark. How it works. Who it's for. Make this text dark too. Log in. I don't know why they put login on the right. Try it free. I'll make this text white. Alright, cool. These left. I guess it doesn't do anything. Alright, whatever. Let's move on. We'll call that good enough. So we got the heading here. All in one business accounting systems. We already have a header layout just like that. Paste that in. Let's see. Paste that in. This color I'm going to make our secondary. So the blue. Get started. We'll keep it get started now. I'm just gonna make that text white. And we'll swap this image out with this image. Alright, let's see. So they do have this like blue color here. I can't, is that, okay, that blue is there. Maybe we'll make that background this blue. Let's see what that, if we can find the color, the background color. There we go. Yeah, we'll go ahead and make this whole section that color. And instead of adding it, you don't have to necessarily add it as a, I'm gonna just call this hero background. What I'll do is actually make a class for this. And let's go. Just change that class from transparent to hero background. Boom. Let's see. Alright, powerful tools for your business. Let's do that. Let's see, features. I'll just use this block as a default one. We'll go ahead and delete that column. Let's make this background color white. And let's see. So I'm going to make these 4 instead of 3, since we have 3 columns. This is built on Bootstrap, which has a 12 column layout, so that spaces them out like this. And then instead of, let's see, these should really be left justified, I feel like, because the text is so long, relatively speaking. So I'm actually gonna keep that center justified, and I'm just gonna left justify these. And instead of this, I'm gonna make this an image. So let's just add image. And I don't need that class. So this image will be, which one's first? Automation tools. Switch. And I will delete this whole icon thing. Just doing that. Save time with automation. I want to see how fast I can do this too. Reports is a little chart, which means this one has to be this guy. There we go. And then we have a little try it for free. Oh, and the powerful tools for your business. So let's go back. I'm going to add 12 column. Let's add another row here. And you can add this like with the graphical thing, but I feel like I'll probably be faster just typing it. Equals. This powerful tools for your business. I forgot to center it, but I can do that. Wait. Not sure why that's not centering. Oh, probably helps if I do that. There we go. And I need some space underneath it, so I think I'll just do some inline styling. Padding bottom, let's say 5%. There we go. And I'm actually going to take this same text and I'll put it underneath here, I think. Nope. put it outside of this div. That should be better. All right, cool. Change this padding to top. And I'm gonna use the button. What's their call to action? Try it for free. No credit card required to cancel anytime. So this will be small text underneath. And I don't want to outline, I want it to be primary color. Text will be white. Try it for free. That's a pretty big button, so what I'm going to do is button size, let's make it large, and I'll make the font size a little larger too. So just display 1 is probably way too big. Those are all way too big. That works. And this part is unnecessary. Alright, cool. So we got that done. Here I got an idea for this. And I think I'm just gonna use let's see. There's a, let's see, okay, oh, it's a gradient. Copying and pasting is hard. Oops. Alright, so I'm going to add a new section of features. We have these built in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. I'm going to make this background be the features background. There we go. And what do they call? They don't call this anything. So I'll just get rid of this title, get rid of the column, get rid of the row. Alright, and what's the first feature? Invoicing. What's it look like? Here we go. Easy invoicing. And we're going to make this be our secondary color. And I'll add a button. This will be a gray outline. Actually, I think I would like the blue outline for the button. Let's do that. So learn more about invoicing. All right, cool. So feature 2, we're gonna do that same thing. What is feature 2 here? I'm just gonna do a couple of these and then I'll do the other thing. I already forgot what it looked like. Alright, that one. So switch that out. Organize expenses effortlessly. Font color secondary. And I'll do time tracking as the last one. time tracking looks like this one. No, this one. Sorry about that. I had some background noise I had to cut out. But yeah, so I just did 3 of them here. So we'll go right back, to the page. We're going to add some testimonials. Why small business owners love Freshbooks. So we'll add testimonial block. I don't know which one. This one? This one? We'll do this one. Why not? Background color will be white. This unnecessary. This will be primary. Nope, secondary. So this is Kathleen's. Switch this out to her picture. Oops. Yeah, you can duplicate things too. That's what I just accidentally clicked there. Pat Flynn. Let's just do that so it's a little cleaner. There we go. And now we got, what's his name? Roman Mars. This is him, I think, right? Cool. So yeah, we got that in there. Some more stuff. I guess we'll do get started free today. We'll call this what? A call to action. Change this to not the blue, we want it to be background color will be our primary. Try it free for 30 days. And we got this image. I don't think I saved this one. Join 10 million. So this, I want that to align center. I'm wondering if I can use Flexbox for that. Yeah, I'll save that for another time. So we got the call to action added. I'm going to remove the padding from the top here. And I might remove it from the bottom too. Yeah, let's do that. Maybe just one of each. There we go. So we'll add a footer now. See, they have lots of lists. So many lists. I'll just do this one. Their footer is white. But yeah, I think I'll cut it here just for the sake of keeping the video not too long. I'm gonna add some spacing here. Oh, there we go. We can, I mean, I guess that works. It might be a little messed up on mobile. Let's take a look. Yeah, I could change, you can actually control that on mobile so it doesn't do that weird stuff. But yeah, this is it. Like, it's super easy to use. It's very fast and efficient. So I'm gonna save, publish, and let's take a look at the final product here. Of what, like 30 minutes? This circle part is kind of messed up. You could probably, if we remove the padding here and just made this flush with the bottom, that would look a little nicer. But they have a boxed layout, and I did a full width. So in this circumstance, that image probably is the best, but whatever. We have their call to action, their tools, features, testimonials, call to action, and then this is where you would enter all the footer. But no one wants to watch me do any more data entry, right? But yeah, this is Versoly. This is so quick, very easy, and you can put a lot of time in it, or you can use a pre-made layout and just put in your own content, and it could be really quick. I spent a lot of time adding some custom classes and details, so like here, like the blue border around the box here instead of gray. I spent some time getting that set up and figured out, creating some custom columns and all that. But yeah, there's, I don't know, let's look at the, on-site SEO checklist. I've used just a lot of their like default things, some thin columns for like data or like long form writing. They also have a blogging feature built in, which is pretty cool. And yeah, it's a really awesome platform. I'd highly recommend playing with it and checking it out, especially if you're someone who uses WordPress a lot and you do a lot of custom coding, or I mean, I guess I don't know if I would call CSS coding, but if you're doing any like CSS work on WordPress sites a lot, or if you have themes that you get frustrated with because maybe they do inline styling and you can't edit it unless you like really get into the like PHP or something, like all those frustrations disappear when you use this, and it's so quick, it's so easy. I'd highly recommend checking it out. And if you want to see like some tutorials or something, let me know in the comments, or anything specific about Versoly that you're interested in. Let me know in the comments, because I really love this platform, and I'd be happy to make some more guides and how-tos or demonstrations or whatever. But thanks for watching.